US stocks extended gains on Tuesday with the Nasdaq and S&P 500 notching their longest winning streak in 2 years. The biggest gainer, Microsoft, closed Tuesday's session at an all-time high on fresh optimism about growth from its key partner in artificial intelligence, OpenAI. The tech giant stock rose to a record high of $360.53, valuing the company at around $2.7 trillion. It comes after OpenAI announced a slew of updates, including price cuts and plans to allow people to make custom versions of the ChatGPT chatbot. Microsoft has invested a reported $13 billion in the AI developer, which has granted it an exclusive license on OpenAI's GPT-4 large language model that can generate human-like prose. Last week, Microsoft announced the release of an AI add-on for its Office subscriptions and an assistant in Windows 11, both of which rely on OpenAI models. Now to other top stories from around the world. Portuguese Prime Minister Antonio Costa has resigned after prosecutors announced he was under investigation for corruption involving lithium deals. Costa announced the decision in a televised statement and said he had complete trust in the judiciary. He won a third consecutive term as Prime Minister last year after his party secured an absolute majority in the general elections. Oil prices have hit their lowest level in more than 3 months amid waning demand in the world's top consumers, the US and China. Brent crude futures fell 4% to below $82 a barrel, giving up all gains made since the Israel-Gaza war erupted. On Tuesday, data showed that China's exports contracted more than expected in October, adding to fears of weakening global demand. And Spirit Aerosystems has seen a 16% decline in its stock value following the company's announcement of new measures to raise capital. The measures include a proposed public sale of $200 million worth of its Class A common stock. Spirit, which produces large aircraft structures such as wings and fuselages for Boeing and Airbus, has recently been struggling with production quality problems that have slowed aircraft deliveries.